Tsunami threat of 2025 is still alive. I'm guessing that exists for around these areas for 1 to 3 meters. And if you're in a place that doesn't think in meters, Google says 3 meters is like almost 10 feet. And if you did get hit in the face or a whole body with a 10-foot wall of fast moving water, it would be a battle. It would be hard to survive unless you were Batman, literally. But first they said it was like a 6-7, then an 8, and then a 7-6, or some in that orders. Things are weird as the planet parade continues. So, earthquakes are weird. The sun's acting weird. Weather's acting weird. You're acting weird. I'm trying to have a good time tonight. So let's not have a tsunami, but stay on top of things. We're booby watching. And stay cool. You know? Yeah, so if it happened down here, I would guess anywhere around here, watch out for weird waves tonight. And it might be good incentive to go party on higher grounds just in case. Even everybody else. I mean, because when the sun acts weird, weather acts weird, people lose their minds. And so you had this big, wild thing, coronal hole happening. Ooh, and we got the black box. But as Earth crosses past this coronal hole, and then if it's down here, it's going to be going through here. So the geomagnetic situation over the next week could be wild. For sure. Absolutely. Without a doubt. You know? Crazy. See that? Looks exactly like that almost. Or definitely kind of like that. Or kind of like that. You know? That is definitely a particular shape. You know? So, you can almost even argue this is a version of that shape. But I might be peridoiliizing. Peridoiliizing? Oh, it kind of looks like a shark with arms. Oh. But definitely, like, check this out. Boom. All right. The earthquake happened an hour ago. The tsunami advisory for Puerto Rico and the U.S. Virgin Islands has been canceled. And I would say definitely the first hour, 2, 3, or 4 are most critical when on a tsunami threat watch. So this earthquake happened like an hour ago. Right now, there are no major signs of a tsunami threat, but still, like a 10-foot wall of water is still possible to just pop up and punch somebody in the face. So stay tuned, stay cool, have a great weekend. And please try and remember, we are all in this shit together. Plus, people get emotional around Valentine's Day for some reason. And that shit's coming up in a week. Wow, look at that thing. That's crazy. That's super duper crazy. Yep. Yeah, dude, y'all. Wow. It's so like Venus has just entered Aries. And Neptune and Saturn are going to go into Aries. And that's going to be some crazy, wild, shifty shit, yo. It has a very Aquarius vibe right now, for sure. Okay. Venus is about to go retrograde. Mars is retrograde. about to go direct in 2 weeks. I don't know if you know this. Trump and Kanye are Geminis. And Gemini has been in. Jupiter's been in Gemini for like, what, almost a year? No, like 7 months. All right. Buckle up, stay cool, play defense, have some fun. Have a great weekend. Thank you for being awesome. But if you're in Cuba, Honduras, and the Cayman Islands, I definitely wouldn't let your threat down. Things are weird, and the data on the earthquake's been weird. Just meaning, like, what is it really? How deep is it really? And how strong was it? Remember during this period where the National Weather Service, FEMA, NOAA might all be getting overhauled? You know. But it's weird how the interfaces on the, like, NWS site themselves, or the NOAA site, like, these could definitely be more user-friendly and up-to-date on the buoy data. But right now, we'll keep watching. So say a prayer for anyone out there who might need it. Yeah. Wow. Hey, look, Canadian diamond dust ski halos. But hey, definitely stay extra cool. Asteroids have been whizzing by real close lately. A lot of them. So, in conclusion, an hour and 10 minutes after the earthquake happened, and now I think they have it at 7.6, about 35 kilometers deep. A tsunami threat continues for Cuba. The tsunami may reach 1 to 3 meters above the tide. And Honduras in the Cayman Islands, where a tsunami may reach up to 0.3 to 1 meter above the tide, which would be like a 3-foot wave. But, wait. Yeah, 3-meter tide would be, a 10-foot tsunami would still be bad. Stay cool and stay tuned. Yeah, I mean, it was a major earthquake. So, and February's just begun. Plus, Planet Parade. God is great. You're pretty awesome too. I am super duper grateful for you.